Hello everyone, welcome again. I hope you are doing well and welcome to the AI Tech. And in this video, we are making a complete website using the AI in just 5 minutes. Basically, lots of people they have no any idea about the website designing. They are spending more much money like on WordPress and Wix and Squarespace. But in this tutorial, we are making a complete website using Replit.com. This is AI builder. So just type Replit, which is scroll it and just visit this site. Okay, so this is the Replit.com dashboard. You can create our AI agents, apps, and also you can create a website for your business. Okay, so first we want an account. So in this video, I am okay. So let's continue with Google and let's do this very quickly. After this process, it takes maybe some time. Okay, here's the dashboard. Now we need, I think, okay, okay. I think in this Gmail I already uh compute the credits. Okay, so now it's time to log out this. I think I actually use the credits because this is the best software. So you can create like 3 to 4 websites and apps using free subscription. And after that, you can earn some more money. After that, you can spend on this uh tools. So just give me a few seconds. Mm, it's loading. Okay, so here I want to type a name. I think okay, it's full name and for okay, so I am a developer and websites and landing pages. Okay, own business, freelancing, just me. Okay, you can type a few about questions, give it the answers, and after that you can continue with pre-plan. Okay, so here is the complete red dashboard. Now we want prompt. Let's suppose you are working on Fiverr. The client give you a complete instruction about the project, about the website, and you can put it on this typing bar, and after that, this is make a complete website for you. So this is a demo, and in this video, I'll make a complete prompt uh, writing on or using ChatGPT. So just copy it and just paste for here. Okay, and this is a complete, I think, guideline. Okay, so I think I'll okay. So just press to start designing. Okay, so it takes a few minutes, and after that, it's make a complete website for you. Okay, this is a complete replit is starting working in your website, and you can see the welcome to the workflow. This is where you're turning your idea into the reality. Let's take a look around. So just if you are you can see more just like a mid triplet agent and something like more around that. So we don't want information, we want only a website. Okay, so this is tablet.com. This is a building website for completely free. I think you can build and design up to 10 website with a free account, but if you want something like a more website, definitely I would recommend you can purchase paid subscription, and after that you will make a complete stunning and amazing website for your client. So see, the Rappler.com is automatically generate the images for our website, and I think after the few minutes it looks amazing for our uh okay. In this video I am building a plastic surgery website, but you can try it and you can create multiple website in just using Rappler.com. Okay, so this takes a few minutes, I think. Okay, let's do it and let's see how it takes shape. Mm, by the way, if you are new in my YouTube channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon. And in the future, I am making more much videos related to AI and AI agent. Okay. Oh, this is a complete. This is writing a complete everything like images and code, and you can see this is edit headline, src apex, including clients, pages, homepage, and something like more things. So let's wait and watch. Okay, so guys, seats. This is a complete preview website. You can say this is a complete website using this builder. Okay, I think this is super amazing. So I made this website in just few minutes. Just you can see this is the 4 minutes of work, and this is how it's okay. So let's preview this site and let's see how it looks like. See, okay, so this is a temporary link. You can see this is a temporary development preview link. So just look at this. Okay, so by the way, this is a loading. This is loading. I think my internet connection is bad. So by the way, this is see the complete layout of our website. Like he made a complete. Okay, so you can see in thing. See this. Okay, so complete. He to write a complete content like home, about, services, gallery, and contact us, and also reaches file the phone number, email, and the logo, and the booking consultation, and this is see this is the title, and this is the experience, and I think here is two buttons. After that, this is a few images, and after that, this is a gallery, and this is a gallery. Okay, so this is image, and after that something more sections, and this is the stories like previous clients, and this is ready to start. This is a call to action. Okay, book appointment, and after that this is a footer. You can see this is a complete footer like logo and everything is here. Like this is the email, and okay. So guys, this is a tutorial. I hope you are enjoying this, and please make sure to subscribe this YouTube channel. And okay, so okay, I'll give you the first step. This is the pro tip. my friends. So the pro tip, I just remove it. And also this is a responsive. You can see this is on if I uh this is iPhone SE, and you can see this is a complete responsive uh website. You can see this is a completely responsive website. And if I change the aspect, see, this is a super amazing. So in the previous just like in 2020, 2023, we are making the website using WordPress, Squarespace, and other builders. But in this digital world, AI builders is helping us to making a complete, stunning, and highly converting website in just minute. In just minutes. Okay, let's suppose if you are a new freelancer, I recommend go to the uh, other site and search on like Instagram.com. Many people are running businesses without a website. You can offer this website and you can sell this website in just $50 to $100. This is a great opportunity for you, my friend. So see this. This is a preview. Um, this we are making this website in just few minutes. It's look amazing. So if I am making this website on WordPress, I think in just 3 to 4 days I took it that, and after that I'll build this website. But in this journey, this is amazing. So if you like this video, please thumbs up and subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any kind of question, so just hit the comment and I'll give you the response. Thank you.